for banana, a tasty treat.
Tate. C is for cat with fur so bright. Tate. D is for dog wagging its tail with delight, with delight. E is for egg, soft and round. F is for fish swimming around. G is for grass, green and tall. H is for hen, who loves to call. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jam, sweet as gold. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey swinging from trees. N is for nest where birds like to be. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for parrot, colorful in flight. Q is for quail, a bird so neat. R is for rat, quick on its feet. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tap, splashing in the light. U is for umbrella, keeping you dry. V is for van, driving by. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet. X is for xylophone, making music with the beat. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zebra, with stripes all around.